na ang pinakabongga, punong-puno ng fun and excitement. Itong In na In, iba ang dating. The new TV experience is here. Hataw Pinoy Chicago. It will change your viewing habit. It's hip, sassy, ang galing-galing. Hataw Pinoy Chicago.
What's up, y'all? This is Apple, the Apple, the Black Eyed Peas, and you're watching Hataw Pinoy Chicago. Yeah!
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga Pinoy at Pinay, and welcome to Hataw Pinoy Chicago. Ito po si Alpha Nicolasin, at ngayon pong hapong ito ay tuwang-tuwa ako na makapiling ang isa sa ating mga paboritong artistang mula sa Pilipinas. Siya po ay walang iba kundi si Miss Sherry Hill, at kakapanayamin po natin siya tungkol sa kanyang role dito sa isang upcoming play that's going to be showing next weekend dito sa Chicago. Ito po ay ang Bayan-Bayanan, and Miss Sherry Hill is playing a vital role in this play, and I'm sure if you go and watch this play, you'll be able to find yourself and find your story in one of the characters ito sa Bayan-Bayanan. Ito po ay sinulat noong mid-70s niya Benvenido Boy Noriega, at ito po ay directed ni Dr. Anton Juan Jr. At ngayong hapon din pong ito ay bibigyan tayo ng isang awitin ni Mr. Emil Nicolasin, who's also be playing a part in this play. So wag po kayong aalis, mga kaibigan. At oras na naman po para sa palabas na paborito ng lahat, ang Hataw Pinoy Chicago.
Hi, I'm Alex Herrera, and this is my wife Josie. We are the owners of Herrera Express Corporation, which is in the business of shipping balikbayan boxes to the Philippines. I would like to share with you the good news that 70% of our clients are repeat customers, and many of them have been referred by satisfied customers. Within one business day upon arrival of the Port of Manila, our containers are released from the Bureau of Customs with all taxes paid. And upon arrival in our warehouse, the boxes are bound for Metro Manila are delivered within 3 business days, and those bound for Central and Southern Luzon are delivered within 7 days. Experience the big difference and join the bandwagon of repeat customers who put their trust and confidence in a company that sets the standard for the balikbayan shipping industry.
Sige na po, tawag na kayo.
Finally, a restaurant that combines the best in Japanese and Filipino cuisines.
Romel's Tumadachi.
Fresh and authentic sushi and sashimi prepared by a Japanese master chef. Delicious Filipino dishes that give you a taste of the islands.
When you crave for Japanese and Filipino food, drive down to 808 North Lafox Street, South Elgin.
For catering orders and information, please call 847-697-4833.
Romel's Tumadachi.
We're here in the rehearsals of Bayan-Bayanan, and we're here with no other than the wife of our Consul General dito sa Chicago, si Miss Fides Herrera Lim. Kumusta po kayo, madam?
I'm okay, thank you.
And isa sa mga nakagugulat sa akin dito sa play na ito ay kasama ka. You're one of the actors dito sa play na ito, madam. And why did you decide to join this play?
Oh, well, it's a very good play wherein you see the amazing stories of so many migrants. And in this play, I felt that I connected to it, seeing that, yeah, these are the stories I've seen all over the world, how Filipinos were really that strong to go through all the difficulties of being away from home, away, sending money, making all the sacrifices to just go about para lang maabot nilang responsibilidad nila sa ating bansa.
So, isa po sa mga nakikita ko dito sa play nito while going through the script is that yung longing for Filipino to find home or to build home, recreate home wherever they are. And madami din po yung nagsasabi on the other hand that a lot of Filipinos dito sa Midwest or dito sa States ay very passive, hindi sila participative. So what do you think could change that, yung passivity natin into something of participation?
To each his own, actually. They go through different phases. Like example, the younger ones, they really focus more on their work because they want to, go up the ladder as well. The others also, they're building a family. So let's say a couple, and we don't have house help here compared to Manila. So one has to like take the duty hours for here while the other one the other one takes care of the kids, then they interchange each other. So things like that. So depende rin sa tao yan. So sometimes they cannot really be with other friends, but they have special friends they go with, that they go siguro weekends, get together always. And you know how Filipinos are, it's always food, singing, you know.
True. So food and karaoke, I think, is one thing that, two things that really bind us together.
That's right, absolutely, yes. And we find so much fun doing this. Although there are times may friction, but still they end up being together, diba?
Tayo pa rin, sama-sama tayo. So, salamat po ng marami, Madam Mrs. Fida Sirera Lim, at saka imbitahin naman po natin ating mga kababayan, lalo na yung mga nagpapagawa ng passport. Sabihin naman natin, manood sila.
Oo, sana ho makapunta kayo, panuurin nyo po ito. Alam nyo, masisiyahan kayo, nakakatawa, nakakaiyak. You'll really have a great time watching this, and you'll be proud you're a Filipino. Maraming salamat ho.
Unimart One Stop Shopping Incorporated, now in 4 great locations to serve you. Original Baker's Delight Carryout serves freshly baked goodies and amazing Filipino cuisine. Unimart One Stop Shopping Incorporated. Come and visit us at any of our 4 convenient locations: Northwest Suburbs, Chicago, North Suburbs, and Southwest Suburbs.
Nandito pa rin po tayo sa rehearsals ng Bayan-Bayanan at kasama natin ang isa sa ating kapamilya dito, si Patrick Viray, na taga Hataw Pinoy Chicago. And of course, ang ating isa sa mga ginagalang na director sa Pilipinas, si Direk Andoy Ranay. Kumusta po?
Mabuti. Excited for Bayan-Bayanan, Letters from Home.
Direk, can you tell us briefly about your role dito sa Bayan-Bayanan?
I'm playing the role of Dino. Alternate kami. Yung character niya ay isang probinsyanong first-timer sa Geneva, sa Switzerland. So all the hopes, all the ambitions ng isang batang estudyante, yun yung character ni Dino.
And what really, is amazing about this play, I think, is that it tells our story. Diba? So whoever watches this play would be able to identify with one, two, or many different characters in the play. So again, imbitahin naman natin ang ating mga kababayan dito sa palabas natin, Direk.
Panoorin po natin ang Bayan-Bayanan, Letters from Home sa November 11, 12, and 13,
Saint Scholastica Academy.
Salamat po rin ng marami sa inyo, Patrick, and of course, Direk Andoy. And we look forward to seeing more of your films. Sana mapanood namin ang iyong mga pelikula at yung mga teleserye dito sa Amerika. We're looking forward to that. Huwag po kayong alis, mga kaibigan, at babalik ulit ang Hataw Pinoy Chicago.
Hahanapin ko ang awit at tinig mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko ang halakak mo kahit na kung saan dako. Hahanapin ko umaga, tanghali, gabi, dahil hindi kita lilimutin kahit na sandali. Hahanapin ko ang sikat ng araw mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko dagat mo at buwan, ang tagaraw at ulan. Hahanapin sa timog hilaga, hahanapin ko sa pangingibang bayan. Sa aking paglayo, dadalhin sa aking paglipat, babawi init ng iyong araw, sinagila at puminig sa aking dadaling ang at hindi na hanap-hanap ka pa. Iiwan, hanapin lang, aanin pa ang maglakbay, di ba? Hahanapin ko ang awit at tinig mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko ang halakak mo kahit na kung saan dako. Hahanapin sa tuwing ako'y makita. Aanhin ko ba ang gawang
Hapon po sa inyong lahat mga Pinoy at Pinay, and welcome to Hataw Pinoy Chicago. At ngayon pong hapong ito ay pinapalad tayo na makasama isa sa mga sikat na artista sa atin sa Pilipinas. Siya po ay nagmula sa angka ng mga Hill. Talaga namang kilalang-kilala ng mga very good actors and actresses sa atin. She doesn't need any further introduction, ladies and gentlemen. Ang ating pong bisita ngayong hapong ito si Miss Sherry Hill. Hi,
Thank you
Sherry.
so much, Ava. Hi, everyone. Maraming salamat. Mas mapalad ako na nandito sa show ninyo. Thank you for having me in Chicago.
Salamat. This is your first time in Chicago, right?
Yes, yes. Windy City.
Windy nga talaga mo ano.
Timing. Winter time pa yung ating play.
So, going to the play, Miss Sherry Hill is here in Chicago to play a very vital role dito sa Bayan Bayanan, which is a play written by Benvenido Boy Noriega. Okay? And this is a multi-awarded play. Talaga namang ito ay pinalabas sa iba't ibang lugar, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi all over the world na rin.
Right.
No? And so, Sherry, why did you choose to come to appear in this production? Alam ko na ikaw ay napakaraming mga commitments elsewhere, but why appear in a small production na dito lamang sa community sa Chicago ipapalabas?
Nandahil nga doon. First of all, with Anton directing it, it's been my dream to work with Anton and learn from him. And he's been a mentor to many. He's an iconic thespian in the theater. So, itong pagkakataon kong makatrabaho siya. And with his prodding and Andoy, who was my director in the show that I was just doing, I just finished sa Manila, nagkataon naman na the timing and the schedule fit perfectly. So, I presume with that, it was meant to be. At dahil sa gusto ko talaga magteatro. Pangalawa, makakasama ko ang mga aktor dito na hindi natin nakikilala at nakakatrabaho sa Pilipinas. And I think it's a fantastic and a significant gesture for Anton to put up this production, and to be part of it is something very meaningful to me because it's bringing the Philippines much closer to each other, to one another, and the Filipinos working through art. And I want to support more of this type of productions.
So how is working in theater different from working, let's say, in the movies or in a teleserye like Time of Your Life, like you just finished sa GMA7, di ba? How is it different?
Oh, malaking kaibahan. For me, the theater is an actor's medium. And pinag-usapan nga lang namin kanina bago pumunta dito sa rehearsals with Cesar and with Andoy that it takes a lot of courage for an actor, for any human being to step up to the plate. And once you fulfill that particular project or a play and the camaraderie that comes with it and the process that goes with creating and mounting a play, once it's over, the fulfillment is so much more, it's just more, how would you say, it's just fulfilling. You know, it's like you break the boundaries inside of you, a lot of fears, and of course you have the audience there, right, and right then and there to respond to your performance.
Kita mo kagad, ano, kung anong reaction nila. Like sa movies, it takes a while before you get feedback from the audience.
At saka madaling mong daya sa pelikula. May take 2, may take 3, may take 4. It's a teatro, wala. Magkamali ka, that's it. You're deadlocked, right? So you really need the work support of your co-actors for them to magandang camaraderie at tulungan.
You have to have synergy with your fellow actors as well as you have to think on your feet kung biglang may makalimutan.
Exactly, at saka kailangan generous ka dahil, and that's what's great about it. It really wakes up the generosity of spirit in each of us. So I'm happy even to work with as we say, non-actors, and they're doing fantastic. They just love doing it, and so ang ganda-ganda. I'm very touched and moved by this particular project. It's something different in my entire career. I've not done anything like this. Lalo na Tagalog play. Yun din, I want to break my fears in that because hindi kasi ako matagalog masyado. Mabulol ako sa Tagalog. So it's a good training for me then. And I'm learning all over again.
Okay. Your role here in Bayan Bayanan is very different from the roles that we're used to.
Yeah.
Seeing you, like in the movies, I remember still yung role mo sa Bituing Walang Ningning Lavinia. I think that's one of the most memorable lines in Philippine movies. Yung, you're nothing but second-rate, trying hard, copycat.
Bravo!
But anyway, your role here is so different here in Bayan Bayanan. Can you tell us a little bit about the role of Tessie that you're playing?
I play Tessie, who's a nurse and who migrated to Geneva. And she actually is a very nice person, very sweet, very loving, very generous, and which is totally opposite from all the roles I've played. And again, linuloko ako ni Andoy, Kuday, ang hirap, challenge ka. And also because of that, it's very human. She's very human. And again, she depicts a lot of a universal feeling that we all get when we move out of our country, which is loneliness. And in spite of her being very lonely, she keeps up and survives and shows among the other Filipino friends that she has in the play how it is to be hopeful. So, in spite of that fantasy, she has a built-up fantasy of romance that keeps her going, and that's something that's pretty close to me. May tendency din ako maging maromansa. I need to be inspired, and we all do. So, Tessie shows that and depicts that in the story. She brings in that hopefulness in all of us.
Tessie is a nurse in this play, right? And so it would resonate with a lot of the Filipinos and Filipinos here in Chicago who work in the healthcare profession.
That's right.
And also, yung roles na yung iba-ibang mga characters ito sa palabas na ito, it would resonate with a lot of with everybody, I think.
Right.
So, tatanungin kita bago when we after we come back from a break, Sherry, how does it feel for you? I mean, ano yung pinaka nakakakonekta ka dito sa mga characters na ito? Bilang ito, expatriate ka din na Filipina. You've lived outside of the Philippines for a long time. So, tatanungin kita about that. And wag po kayong alis mga kaibigan. We promise to come back with Miss Sherry Hill dito sa Hataw Pinoy, Chicago.
Finally, a restaurant that combines the best in Japanese and Filipino cuisines.
Romel's Tumadachi,
Fresh and authentic sushi and sashimi prepared by a Japanese master chef. Delicious Filipino dishes that give you a taste of the islands.
When you crave for Japanese and Filipino food, drive down to 808 North LaFox Street, South Elgin.
For catering orders and information, please call 847-697-4833.
Romel's Tumarachi.
Welcome back to Hataw Pinoy Chicago, mga kaibigan. And we're back here with Miss Sherry Hill, isa sa ating mga paboritong artista. And before we went on break, we were talking about yung mga roles, yung mga characters dito sa play na Bayan-Bayanan. And we were saying, Sherry, that you have lived outside of the Philippines for a long time. And madami sa ating mga kababayan dito ay kagaya mo din na yun na nga, longing for home, etc. So ano yung character, ano yung part ng play na ito that resonates most with you as an expatriate Filipina?
The unity that the Filipinos have among themselves. They come together and they create a community no matter where they are. So kaya maganda yung Bayan-Bayanan dahil sa isang bahay nangyayari lahat ng storya. Sa isang bahay ni Manang na masarap magluto ng Filipino food. Diba? Lagi na lang. Pati nga rehearsals, umpisahan is always kainan muna. And that's what I love about it. And yeah, when I was away for 10 years, hindi talaga ako makabalik sa Pilipinas at that time. It was not easy. I think it's also the fact that hindi ako bumalik for 10 years made me keep up the life abroad. But dala-dala ko pa rin yung mga Filipino food at yung kusinera ko kasi kailangan ko yung Filipino food. At pupuntahan ko talaga yung mga Filipino restaurants and stores, you know, mga comfort food natin. So, I got back in 2000, decided to start working again. Ayan na, hindi na ako nakaalis uli. But I still keep coming back and forth naman.
So when you're outside of the Philippines, what is it that you miss most about our country?
Oh, the laughter, the kababawaness, you know what I mean? Walang mga philosophical talks tayo eh. We can have fun, we know how to laugh. We can just sit around and understand each other's sensibilities without even talking. So, yeah, mga barkada ko, mga kaibigan ko.
You're a mother, Sherry, and what is it that you share with your children regarding your being Filipino, or yung ethnicity nila, yung heritage nila?
You know, I wish I could do more. Primarily, I married a foreigner, so our first language at home was English. So unfortunately, and I'm not proud to say, my kids don't speak Tagalog. The fact that I continue doing what I'm doing is something that I can say has proven to them how much I love my country and how much I love my work. They now live in New York. Okay. So the fact that I had to give up being with them on a daily basis, that just goes to show that I've done what I could to be out of my country, but it still brings me back home. So no matter what it is, the life I live and my values, my principles, and my sense of family, in terms of my extended family, like grandparents, uncles, and cousins, is very strong in us. So that part of my children will always, I think it will be with them, no matter what. Babalikan nila yan. So, yun ang mapapasok sa kanila.
Yeah, and I hope they realize how big the Hill or the De Mesa family is in the Philippines. Talagang napakalaki ng kontribusyon ng inyong family sa ating art.
Nga ng palaki.
Oo nga, padami kayo ng padami.
Mga pamangkin na namin ngayon, mga Eigenman boys, tawag namin sa kanila.
Yeah, I know. Yung mga anak ni Gina at saka ni Michael, yun, they used to go to the same school as my children at International Christian Academy.
Okay, and also Sid Lucero is my brother's son, Mark Hill and Andy Eigenman. So yeah, they've all been very busy and doing very well.
Alright, wonderful. What about you, Sherry? Alam ko yung time of your life, dance serye sa GMA7 ay isa sa mga recent na projects mo. What else do you have in store for our kababayans?
After this, I head back to Manila again to start a new soap, which is Legacy. Again, I will be going back to my usual mean role. And in this particular soap, we will be working with Solen Yusuf, Lavi Po, Heart Evangelista, the three lovelies. Mga prinsesa natin ngayon sa industriya, crush ng bayan. Yan. So I'll be playing Lovey Poe's mom. And it's a very strong patriarchal family headed by Eddie Garcia. So abangan niyo po.
Nako, talagang abangan niya ng ating mga kababayan. So, salamat ng marami sa iyo, Miss Sherry Hill. So, ngayon, alam ko na madami sa mga kababayan natin na nanonood na gusto din sumunod sa mga footsteps ng isang kagaya mo na despite your fame, despite your the many accolades that you have received, ano, para ka pa ding nakatungtong ka pa rin sa lupa. So, anong may papayo mo sa kanila, Miss Sherry Hill, sa ating mga aspiring actors and actresses out there?
Wow. Be yourself. Alam mo, I mean, I think it's a blessing na artista ako kasi mas naiintindihan ko yung takbo ng psyche ng tao at mas nagkakaroon tayo ng connection and awareness with ourselves. So, as I get older, parang nagiging purpose ko na lang talaga is on a daily basis on how I can be true to myself. So, pag tapat ka sa sarili mo, tapat din ng tao sa'yo. Yun, di ba?
That's true.
Mahirap yung nasa wind lagi, 'di ba? Makakahilo 'yon.
Nakatungtong tayo sa lupa.
May earthquake, pwede tayong humawa.
Pwede tumakbo. All right. So, Miss Sherry, imbitahin naman natin ating mga kababayan dito sa ating.
Please, I mean, you'll be very proud of this production. I'm proud to be part of this project and among local actors in Chicago na ang gagaling nila. Bayan-bayanan, mga kaibigan. It's been written many years ago and yet Mr. Noriega had that foresight that it would be apt no matter what, at whatever point in time. Decades later, mas kailangan natin yung mga ganitong play kasi mga Pilipino talaga nagiging global na tayo all over the world. So, come home to us, come home to the Philippines by sharing this evening that performance with us on November 11, 12, and 13. We'll have 4 shows. At saka sana by then, hindi na ako paos. Gagawa mo ko ng salabat, di ba?
Gagawa ko ng salabat si Miss Sherry Hill. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, Bayan-Bayanan, Playing Nations, Letters from Home. Ito po ay directed by Dr. Anton Juan, and this is going to be shown at the St. Scholastica Auditorium on November 11, 12, and 13. And if you have any questions or if you'd like to purchase tickets, please call 773-598-9880. O kaya tawagan po ninyo si Tatay Leo Gonzalez at 773-510-5413 para mabigyan namin kayo ng impormasyon tungkol sa Bayan-Bayanan. So, salamat na marami ulit sa iyo, Sherry, and we wish you all the luck. God bless you, and thank you so much for spending the afternoon with us. Huwag po kayong alis, mga kaibigan, at babalik agad ang Hataw Pinoy, Chicago.
Hi, I'm Alex Herrera, and this is my wife, Josie. We are the owners of Herrera Express Corporation, which is in the business of shipping balikbayan boxes to the Philippines. I would like to share with you the good news that 70% of our clients are repeat customers, and many of them have been referred by satisfied customers. Within 1 business day upon arrival of the Port of Manila, our containers are released from the Bureau of Customs with all taxes paid. And upon arrival in our warehouse, the boxes are bound for Metro Manila are delivered within 3 business days, and those bound for Central and Southern Luzon are delivered within 7 days. Experience the big difference and join the bandwagon of repeat customers who put their trust and confidence in a company that sets the standard for the balikbayan shipping industry.
Sige na po, tawag na kayo.
So, maraming salamat po mga kaibigan sa pagsama ninyo sa amin sa another half an hour dito sa Hataw Pinoy Chicago. I'm sure nag-enjoy po kayo sa pakikinig ng aming interview with Sherry Hill at sa mga awitin at mga tanawin na nakita ninyo tungkol dito sa Bayan-Bayanan. So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Kami po ay magbabalik na muli next Sunday, same time, same channel dito sa Palabas na paborito na ng lahat. At pilit ginagaya pero di magaya-gaya ang Hataw Pinoy Chicago.